Fracture healing is a complex process that involves many different stages, starting with the hematoma formation after the bone getting fractured. Then comes the inflammatory process, then the soft callus formation, then the hard callus formation, and finally the bone remodeling. Now, many factors affect fracture healing, including the diet, and here we will talk about 4 foods that slow the fracture healing. So coming on first is alcohol. So alcohol interferes with the fracture healing by inhibiting the proliferation and the differentiation of the osteoblasts. And the osteoblasts are the cells that are responsible for the formation of a new bone. So by inhibiting the osteoblasts by alcohol, this would lead to less bone formation. And the osteoblasts are the cells that are shown in this picture right here. Now, alcohol also increases the production of the inflammatory cytokines, leading to prolongation of the inflammatory phase of the fracture healing. And alcohol also impairs the absorption of the vitamin D and the calcium from the intestine. And the vitamin D and the calcium are essential for fracture healing. Second, in the foods that slow the fracture healing is the foods that are high in sugar. And those include the fast foods, the desserts, the sweets, and others. And those foods lead to high blood glucose levels, which can cause inflammation and oxidative stress. And these effects will prolong the inflammatory phase of the fracture healing process, leading to slowing of the fracture healing. Coming third on the foods that slow the fracture healing is excessive drinking of caffeinated beverages. Examples for those are the tea, the coffee, and the soft drinks that you can see in this picture right here. Now, excessive drinking of caffeinated beverages lead to high levels of caffeine, and high levels of caffeine promote calcium excretion in the urine and impairs the calcium absorption in the intestines, leading to less calcium in the body, and this will end up in delaying the fracture healing. And finally, in the foods that slow the fracture healing, we have the foods that are high in salt. That is because high amount of salts promote the excretion of the calcium through the kidneys, leading to delay of the fracture healing. And with that, we reach the end. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe.